Hey there, creators. Listen up because I found the ultimate Doodly deal, and it's bursting with value. First, you get 6 months of Voomly, a fantastic sales funnel tool for courses and building email lists. But that's just the appetizer. The main course is the Ultimate Video Creation Lifetime Access Pack. This gets you everything you've ever wanted from Doodly. The full package, the Mega Marketplace Pack with over 6,000 images. Say goodbye to workflow woes, and the elusive PeopleBuilder, all in one incredible one-off payment. This kind of comprehensive Doodly bundle is unheard of. But wait, there's more. This incredible deal throws in the entire Toonly package for good measure. Plus, you get lifetime access to industry-leading text-to-speech software and Pyks, a revolutionary tool that lets you create stunning eCovers in seconds. See that eye-catching product image at the top? Made with Pyks, a Fiverr gig goldmine for course creators looking to market their services effectively. Now, there was a small detail about Voomly being mentioned for 6 months. Don't worry, I got to the bottom of that. I contacted customer support and they confirmed that canceling after the initial period only affects Voomly access. All the other lifetime goodies remain yours. Look, I've seen the Marketplace pack offered separately at the same price as this whole bundle. Talk about buyer's remorse. This deal is a no-brainer. You get everything for the same price, and it's a steal compared to monthly subscriptions for similar animation software. The only regret I have is buying the full Doodly and Toonly packages before discovering this offer. Trust me, the Mega Pack is more than worth it. Within months, you'd be paying more for separate monthly subscriptions to similar software than this one-time investment. So, what are you waiting for? This ultimate Doodly deal is a goldmine for creators. Don't miss out.